Welcome back to the Cobra Trading channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we're going to be talking about the multiple options we give you to finding hard to borrow stocks. So we already made a video previously explaining how to locate hard to borrow stocks, and I share my screen to show you exactly how to do that. However, in this video, I really want to dive into the selection, the multiple options you have when it comes to locating shares. A lot of people who use Cobra Trading don't understand that they have multiple ways to find very cheap shares, if not free. You have actually 5 different ways. You have the live chat feature. This is great because if you reach out to us on cobratrading.com and click the live chat feature on the bottom right-hand side and open up a chat window and talk to one of our reps, they're gonna be working hard to make sure that they can find you free shares to borrow. Now, if they can't find anything, they'll let you know a price that they can find it for. Typically, it's very, very low. At that moment, you have a choice. Do you wanna take that price or do you wanna compare it to the 4 other options? Now, a lot of people get confused when they go to the locate tool and they select locate as one option to find shares to borrow. The reason it gets confusing is because there's 3 other options: locate 1, 2, and 3. And the 4th one, as I mentioned earlier, is just called locate. So people assume that when they click on locate and they try to scan for a certain stock to borrow shares, that it's kind of scanning all of them, when in fact it's just scanning that one selection. And that one selection is going to tell you a price. And if you select locate 1, it's going to tell you a different price. Locate 2 is going to tell you a different price. And 3, as well as the live chat feature. So you can compare and determine who do you want to borrow these shares from. Obviously, you're going to want to pick the free option first. So I personally, when I trade with Cobra Trading, I am looking at the live chat feature every morning first. I open that up and I reach out to them right away and I'm like, do you have shares to borrow for XYZ stock? And normally they do, especially if you get there early. That's a free tip right there. Get there early and you'll have a higher chance of getting free shares. If you happen to miss out on those free shares, I personally like locate 1 and locate 3. Those 2 typically will give you a better or cheaper option. Now, I still check locate 2 and the 4th one because there's still that opportunity that you might find them cheaper, but I have found locate, just called locate, that can get very confusing, is just called locate. Understand that. And locate 3 typically have a cheaper option. All that being said, I want you to know we give you options at Cobra Trading. So that way you can make sure you get the cheapest deal. So that way you can end up having more profits on the table when you have a winning trade. So let me give you one quick tip. When you borrow shares through Cobra Trading, you only pay that fee once. If you hold it overnight, multiple days, you're not repaying to borrow shares again and again and again. So keep that in mind. So if you're new to Cobra Trading, now you know that you have multiple options and we're going to do our very best to make sure that we get you the cheapest price, if not free. And if you're already with us trading through Cobra Trading, then you know now that you have multiple ways to find the cheapest option. So get to it.